Like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon to get notifications from Vishwa Vidyalay. Please contact for online tuitions to our email address vishwavidyalay@gmail.com. Welcome to Vishwa Vidyalay online learning platform.
Indian Constitution and its amendments. Amendments of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution 10th Amendment Act 1961 enacted on 11th August 1961. Purpose: to incorporate the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli into the Union of India as a part of the Indian Territory. Key provisions: Amendment of First Schedule added Dadra and Nagar Haveli as a Union Territory of India. This territory was previously under Portuguese colonial rule. Inserted Article 241C gave President the power to make regulations for the peace, progress and good governance of Dadra and Nagar Haveli as it was a Union Territory. Background: Dadra and Nagar Haveli were liberated from Portuguese rule in 1954 by local freedom fighters and were administered independently for a few years. In 1961, the local people formally requested to join India. To give constitutional validity to the integration, the 10th Amendment was passed. Impact: Dadra and Nagar Haveli became a Union Territory of India officially, marked a step forward in the process of unifying India post-independence by integrating former colonial enclaves, strengthened the territorial integrity of the Indian Union. The Constitution 11th Amendment Act 1961 enacted on 19th December 1961. Purpose: to change the election procedure for the Vice President of India and to clarify certain matters related to presidential and vice presidential elections. Key provisions: Amendment of Article 66. Before, the Vice President was elected by members of both houses of Parliament in a joint sitting. After amendment, the Vice President is elected by members of both houses of Parliament voting together but not sitting jointly. This means two separate houses but votes are counted together. Amendment of Article 71 clarified that any doubts or disputes regarding the election of the President or Vice President would be decided only by the Supreme Court of India. Other clarification specified that an election will not be invalid merely because of vacancies in the Electoral College. Minor procedural irregularities provided they do not affect the result. Why was it needed? The original procedure was found impractical for Vice President elections. To bring the Vice President's election method closer to that of the President but within the framework of Parliament only. To ensure clear dispute resolution by the Supreme Court. Impact: made the Vice President's election smoother and more practical, reduced the chance of disputes by giving final authority to the Supreme Court, improved clarity in the electoral process for top constitutional posts.
Please subscribe our channel through this YouTube link. Thank you so much.